Hello, everybody. Hope you had a nice Easter. As you can see here, Chapter 13 is ready to go. It's due Monday, April 20th. Let's take a look in there. I've got this organized a lot more like my standard online classes. Have a lectures folder, homework folder, extra help folder. Let's just take a quick look. Here in lectures, you see some, a couple of videos here, a short one and a little bit longer one on the firm. And the crucial importance of profit, very short. All these are really short. Profit often gets a dirty, considered a dirty word, but the fact is, as you'll see in here, without profit, we're not going to have much of a standard of living. So very important. It's not that simple, especially when we're talking about economic profit versus accounting profit. That's an important thing to understand here. Here's an example that a lot of us students have liked and has helped them. If you're a football fan, this one will definitely clear it up. Accounting profit is for record keeping. Economic profit is for decision making. And that about wraps that up there as far as short little lectures and videos. Here in the homework folder, well, just tells you to go and in the chapter 13 in MindTap. Now, here's the thing. Remember, in MindTap, there's a lot of resources. Now, in this chapter, there's some curves, there's some graphs, there's some numbers. It's not that bad, but can feel overwhelming. Make sure you get this because this chapter lays the groundwork for really the rest of the semester. So these curves you're going to see in here are going to be with us for a while. So remember, there's more than the book there. There's videos, there's all kinds of graphing help. So make sure you take advantage of that. And extra help. That's where I've worked problem. In this case, I just give an example of implicit and explicit costs. I worked through a couple of examples. What I haven't done in this chapter is work any homework problems. Not yet. Now, the reason I haven't done that is because maybe I'm not very good at anticipating where you need help. Back in chapter 8, I worked one of the problems right out of the homework problems, right out of MindTap, and thinking it might be helpful, and about 3 of you looked at it. So not not that, well, I would rather, let's do it this way. You guys tell me where you're having problems, where you got questions. So instead of me trying to guess where you might have a question or a little bit of a struggle, I'll just wait for you to ask me, and then we'll go from there. Because obviously, the area I thought you might have a question or two was not. I had completely missed that, and but pretty much nobody needed any help there. So that is about it. Good luck. Remember, contact me here via Blackboard Messages. Always the best way, always the quickest way. It's so get an early start on this. This one can be a little difficult in places. And wish you luck. Have a good week. Take care of yourselves.